In this video, we're going to look at a way of sketching the polar equation r is 1 plus sine theta. So r gives us the length of the line from the origin. So remember, for polar coordinates, the angle is measured from the positive x-axis round there to pi, and then back round here to minus pi. But some people like to do from 0 to 2 pi as well. Now, one way of doing this, if we've got to sketch this one, is to actually first of all draw the graph of y is equal to 1 plus sine theta. So this is the graph of 1 plus sine theta. Just before we carry on, I'd just like to say that this app forms a series of apps which are in a book here. Okay, and there are all sorts of different ones which we will have a look at again at the end of this video. And I will attach both the link of this particular app and of the whole book in the notes of this video. Okay, so let's have a look. So we are currently here at minus pi, so that we're here measuring around here to minus pi, and the length of the line at that particular point is 1. Okay, if we start to move the slider, we can see that the length of the line gets smaller as the angle starts to increase. It is actually increasing. Okay, and it gets smaller, and eventually we will see at this particular point the line will actually have no length whatsoever. So this vertical line here is the same length as this line here. So these are Cartesian coordinates, and these are polar coordinates, which is r theta. You can see them up here. Okay, and we go down here, we can see we've now got at 0. Okay, if we carry on, okay, the angle is still negative, but the length of the line is going to increase until we get to this point here, where the line will again become 1. Okay, so now we're into positive angle, so we're now going to go going this way. And the line is, again, it's still increasing. We can see it's increasing, it become a maximum at this point at 2. Okay, and as we go round, the angle's now gone past pi by 2, 90 degrees. The line will start to decrease, and again we'll get back to where we started to when we get to pi. It would be 1 again. Okay, and you can use this to draw this idea to draw graphs with polar equations. Okay, this is quite an easy one. This is called a cardioid because it's shaped a bit like a heart. So you get some quite interesting looking curves doing this, okay? You have to be a bit careful sometimes because sometimes r becomes negative. And we'll look at one of those in a minute. Okay, so this app I'll put in the notes of the video and also of this one in the book. Okay, and we'll look at some of the others in a later video, but we're going to refer to this one in this GeoGebra book. Okay, I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.